Greetings, everyone. I'm Irvin T. Echage, enrolled in CIN 803, Contemporary and Emerging Models of Curriculum and Evaluation. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you State Congruence Contingency Model. Join me as we explore this transformative framework shaping modern education. Let's dive in. Welcome to our journey of educational excellence guided by stakes model. Just like gears working together in harmony, our curriculum, teaching methods, and how we measure learning must fit seamlessly. Let's explore how stakes model helps us achieve this alignment. Stakes model acts like a compass, helping us navigate the complexities of improving education. It reminds us to make sure that what we want students to learn matches how we teach them and how we check their progress. This matching is crucial for effective teaching. Good teaching isn't just about giving lessons. It's about making sure students really understand. Stakes model tell us to think about how our teaching methods help students learn what we want them to learn. Evaluation is like checking to see if something is working well. With stakes model, we can use different ways to check if our teaching is effective. We can look at real examples, talk to people involved, or study how things are going in the classroom. Every student is different. Some learn better in certain ways or need extra help. Stakes model remind us to think about all the different kinds of student when we plan our teaching. Teaching can be different depending on where you are. Stakes model tell us to be flexible and adjust our teaching to fit the place we're teaching in. What works in one school might not work in another. Everyone involved in education, like teachers, students, parents, and school leaders, can help make teaching better. Stakes model says we should all work together to make sure teaching is the best it can be. Assessment is like checking to see how well students are doing. It's not just test, it's about understanding if students are learning what we want them to. Stakes model helps us see if our teaching is helping students learn and grow. When everything in teaching fits together well, students do great. Stakes model help us make sure our teaching is the best it can be. When that happens, students succeed and we all celebrate their achievements. Let's take a closer look at stake evaluation model, guided for our journey. This model encompasses curriculum design, development, and implementation. Data elucidate disparities between what was planned and what was actually occurred. This diagram shows the deliberate connection of the prerequisites, curricula, and results in the planning stage. The evaluator looks for empirical information in the implemented curriculum. Effective evaluation links prerequisites, curriculum, and results in both the planning and evaluation stages. Stakes model also depicts the relationships between what is planned and what is enacted and then evaluated. For complete congruence between plans and results, all observed prerequisites, curricula, and results must be the same as the intended ones. Although stakes model is very useful, complete congruence is impossible. There is no exact correspondence between some action and students' learning. Outside of school, students encounter material that affects their thinking about a particular lesson. Such an unintended transaction can result in learning noted as an attained outcome. It reminds us to make sure everything in teaching fits together well. By following Stakes model, we can make teaching better for everyone. Hence, Stakes model is like a map helping us find our way to better teaching. When our teaching fits together well, students learn better and everyone succeeds. Let's keep using Stakes model as we continue on our journey to make teaching the best it can be.